To manage your tasks effectively in Obsidian, you'll create a simple connected system with 3 folders and a few key notes, enabling you to organize your daily work, projects, and long-term goals. If you're serious about streamlining your workflow and ditching scattered to-do lists, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's build this task management system together. The first thing we're going to do is set up the foundational folder structure. Open Obsidian, navigate to your preferred vault, and go to the File Explorer sidebar. Here you'll create 3 new folders: Tasks, Projects, and Archive. Each of these folders will serve a distinct purpose: the Tasks folder for your immediate daily work, the Projects folder for managing larger undertakings, and the Archive folder for completed tasks. This structured approach helps you maintain a clean and organized workspace, preventing overwhelm and ensuring you always know where things stand. Now, let's flesh out the Tasks folder. Inside this folder, create a new note called Task Dashboard. This will be your central hub, the homepage for your task management system. Within this note, create several sections to categorize your tasks. I recommend starting with headings like Today's Tasks, High Priority, Upcoming Tasks, Waiting On, Quick Links, and Notes. These sections will allow you to quickly review your workload each day, prioritize your efforts, and easily access related information. This dashboard structure isn't rigid. Feel free to adjust it as you refine your workflow. A helpful tip is to consider using a Kanban-style board approach in Obsidian later on, but this foundational dashboard gets us started flawlessly. Moving on, we'll add your daily tasks directly into the Tasks folder. Create new notes for each task you want to track. Perhaps something like respond to client email or prepare presentation slides. These notes can be used to manage personal tasks, work tasks, weekly plans, meeting action items, and even follow-ups. Consolidating related tasks together makes them easier to review and update, promoting a more focused and efficient workflow. Remember, the goal is action. Ensure each note represents a clear, actionable task. You can even add subtasks within notes to break down larger projects. Next, let's create the Projects folder. This folder is crucial for organizing tasks associated with larger projects. Within this folder, create a note called Project Tasks. This note will function as a central hub for tracking the progress of your ongoing projects. Similar to the task dashboard, create sections like active projects, next actions, upcoming deadlines, progress updates, and related notes. This structure helps you ensure your project work stays on track and readily accessible. Regularly reviewing this note is essential to keep projects moving forward. Don't let project tasks get buried. This note is your focal point. Now let's create the Archive folder. The Archive folder is where you'll store completed tasks and finished projects, so you can review them later. Create a note called Complete Tasks within this folder. Structure this note with sections like Complete Today, Complete This Week, Finished Projects, and Archive Tasks, with a Notes section to record any key insights or lessons learned. Maintaining an archive isn't about storage. It's about preserving valuable knowledge and seeing your accomplishments. It helps you avoid constantly revisiting old tasks and keeps your active workspace clean. Okay, a really important step is to connect these notes using Obsidian's internal links. Within this system, the Task Dashboard connects to the Project Tasks note, and the Task Dashboard connects to the Complete Tasks note. Additionally, connect project notes with related meeting notes. Also, link tasks to supporting reference notes. This creates a web of interconnected information that allows you to quickly move between related items without manually searching through multiple folders. Utilizing internal links is what truly transforms Obsidian from a note-taking app into a powerfully connected workspace. Now let's add some structure within the notes themselves. Implementing properties and tags is absolutely key to scalable organization. Properties like status, active, complete, blocked, priority, high, medium, low, due date, category, assign date, and last updated will enable you to filter and search your tasks efficiently. Use tags such as work, personal, project, urgent, waiting, and complete to further categorize your tasks. Consistency in using these properties and tags will make it significantly easier to manage your workload as your vault grows. It's a small investment with big rewards. Finally, let's build a daily task management routine. Start by reviewing your task dashboard at the start of the day. Next, update your project tasks note with any new work or progress. Then, complete your highest priority tasks and keep your notes updated throughout the day. Finally, move finished tasks to the complete tasks note and review your dashboard before ending your workday. Sticking to this routine consistently will help you stay organized and ensure your task management system remains accurate. Essentially, using Obsidian for task management creates a centralized workspace where your tasks, projects, and supporting notes are connected. It's not simply about listing tasks, it's about building a system that reflects how you think and work. Leveraging internal links allows you to quickly navigate between related information rather than sifting through multiple folders. As your workload grows, your task management system can scale gracefully, maintaining a simple and organized structure. Benefits include centralized organization, boosted productivity, faster navigation, and easier progress tracking, all supported by a flexible workflow. To recap, we've created a simple task management system using 3 folders and 3 notes. We established a clear structure with tasks, projects, and archive folders, creating a task dashboard and a project tasks note. We also used properties and tags to help you organize your tasks and leveraged internal links to connect notes. Remember to review your task dashboard daily, keep your daily task list realistic, and break large projects into smaller, manageable steps. Save this video and revisit these steps whenever you need to refresh your organization and get back on track. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.